Senses. There are 5 senses: sight, smell, hearing, touch, and taste. The sense of hearing. The sense of hearing lets us distinguish different sounds. What organ do we use to hear? An ear. This is an ear. This is one ear. These are 2 ears. I've got 2 ears. I use my ears to hear. I can hear. I can hear with my ears. What is this sound? It's a bird. It's a bird singing. Can you hear a bird singing? Yes, I can. I can hear a bird singing. The bird song is quiet. What is this sound? It's rain. Can you hear the sound of the rain? Yes, I can. I can hear the sound of the rain. The rain sound is quiet. What is this noise? It's a train. Can you hear the sound of a train? Yes, I can. I can hear the sound of a train. The train sound is loud. The train sound is noisy. What is this sound? It's an ambulance siren. Can you hear the sound of an ambulance siren? Yes, I can. I can hear the sound of an ambulance siren. The ambulance siren is loud. The siren is noisy. Can you hear any sound? No, I can't. I can't hear any sound. I can hear silence. There is silence. There is no any sound. And you? What can you hear?